Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today here I am sharing all my international makeup का first impression. So मेरा friend US से मेरे लिए काफ़ी सारा makeup लेके आया. Obviously I paid for it. Yeah, but I just thought कि let's do the first impression. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Everything from Sephora, full face के लिए जितना भी चाहिए almost. So सबसे excited मैं ये package के लिए थी. It's like Lux Vibe Essential. So basically it has lot of stuff. I'll just show you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Basically, it has Givenchy ka lip balm, face oil, face cream by Dr. Barbara Sturm. It has mascara from Gucci, Armani ka lipstick, Batman Labs ka eyeliner, Kérastase ka night cream for the serum for the hair. So yeah, let's just start. Everything is in mini size. मुझे literally Barbie makeup लग रहा है. So this is the Guerlain का Ebel Royal Advanced Youth Watery Oil. So this is how it looks like. मैंने एक भी चीज़ swatch या apply तक नहीं की है, so I'm pretty excited and everything is so tiny. Okay, so my face feels a little sticky and tacky. I guess best for applying the foundation. I'll also apply the Dr. Barbara का Sturm cream. This is like in India में नायका पे देखा था, ये कुछ 15,000 का full tube मिल रहा था. So very expensive. मैं सबके links description में डाल दूँगी Sephora के. So it's very lightweight. I'll be just taking a little bit. So before starting the makeup or like the foundation, I'll just apply Givenchy का lip balm. So this is so cute, like literally ये सब Barbie makeup लग रहा है. Like literally, can you see this? It's so pretty, and it smells like bubble gum. I'll just apply a little bit. Okay, so now is the Fenty Beauty का time. This is Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. So मुझे पहले से skin tint चाहिए था और मुझे Fenty Beauty का ही चाहिए था because it's like hyped, like literally people have hyped about it. So yeah, I just wanted to try this. So I am in the shade 11. So this is how the bottle looks like, so pretty. Or yeah, let's just try this. I'll just take a little bit back of my hand. This is how the shade, I think it's a pretty good shade ka match. Let's see. So this is how my skin looks like after the skin tint. It's like everyday basis के लिए skin tint, light to medium coverage, good for office and college. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Now is the time for Tarte. ये basically मैं दुबई से लेके आई थी when I went to उधर का Sephora. So this is how it looks like. This is very light for me. I did not like see the shade. This is 35N medium. So yeah, we'll just apply very little because ये बहुत ज़्यादा light है मेरे लिए. Can you see? It's too light. So yeah, I'll just apply this much. थोड़ा सा brighten कर दूँगी. Okay, so it has blended out seamlessly. मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा नीचे लगाया था because I did not want that greyish effect under my eyes. So मैंने नीचे लगाया था and it has blended seamless. Now I have Rare Beauty का blush. This is in the shade Nearly Neutral. Can you see the packaging? It's so cute. इसका पूरा review मैंने Instagram पे डाला हुआ था. ये भी मैं दुबई से लेके आई थी and I've used it quite a lot. I just love this blush. Very creamy, like very balmy, and it looks so natural and everyday basis का blush. So I'll just apply it. So this is how my blush looks like very natural, very everyday basis. And dew powder is done और मैंने eyebrows भी कर लिए because वो दोनों products मेरे पास नहीं थे. So now it's time for the eyeshadow. So eyeshadow के लिए I have the Kat Von D Glam Rock eyeshadow palette. So लाइक लिटरली ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ते में मिला, सो आई गॉट दिस इज द shade light eyeshadow palette. So this is so pretty, you guys. Like literally, can you just see the shades? They are so beautiful. So I'll just be using this eyeshadow palette today. The first shade I'll be using is the Legend. This is what Legend looks like. So मैं उसको पूरे eyes पे लगा दूँगी. It can be a good transition shade. कितने दिन से पता है मैंने फुल आई शेडो किया ही नहीं है, लाइक ऑल फ्लेजेड आई शेडो. आई जस्ट डू नाउ इट इज़ वन एंड डन आई शेडो, लाइक लिटरली टाइम नहीं रहता इसके लिए. सो दिस इज़ लाइक बहुत टाइम से नहीं किया है. देन आई विल बी टेकिंग सोलो. दिस इज़ द सोलो शेड. देन आई विल बी टेकिंग सोलो फ्रॉम द सेम पैलेट. दिस इज़ द ब्राउन कलर और उसको मैं आउटर एजेस पे लगा दूँगी. Can you see this color? It's so pigmented. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Very basic, very neutral. So now we have two glitter shades. This is the blue one. This is how I'll just show you the swatch. And this is the pressed glitter. I'm more bending towards this one because ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा fascinating लग रहा है. I'll just swatch both of the shades for you guys. So this is how the blue shade looks like, very pigmented, and this is how the pressed glitter looks like. Like literally, can you see the shine pressed glitter का? So I'm thinking कि मैं pressed glitter ही लगाऊँ because मुझे एकदम neutral look चाहिए. So I'll be just taking a little bit pressed glitter on my hands and मैं उसको directly eyes पे लगा दूँगी and I'll just pat it. It has a little bit of stickiness to it, तो वो properly set हो जाएगा and हिलेगा नहीं. So this is how the eyes look. So now it's time for the eyeliner. So eyeliner I have. So this is Pat McGrath Labs का eyeliner. So ये वही Lux collection में था. This is the full size one. बाकी सब mini है. So this is how the eyeliner looks like. ये वाला थोड़ा सा wing खराब हो गया, but this is how the eyeliner looks. So now I have last two lip products. So this is the Rare Beauty का lip liner. So like literally it is so pretty and I am in the shade Humble. मैंने Humble shade लिया था and it's a retractable pencil. So yeah, very nice. I'll just apply and see. Very creamy. Okay, so this is how the lip liner looks like. Very creamy. And it's the pink, neutral pink shade for everyday basis. मुझे लगता है मैंने maximum चीज़ें everyday basis के लिए मंगाई है. But last is the lipstick. And yeah, I have the lipstick from... Oh sorry, shit, I forgot. I have mascara. So yeah, I have the Gucci का mascara. So yeah, let's just try this first. Shit, मैं भूल गई हूँ इस चीज़ की. Okay, but ठीक है. Okay, so this is how the mascara looks. It looks so pretty. It has actually separated my lashes and उसने थोड़ा वॉल्यूम और लेंथ भी दे दिया. आई जस्ट लव दिस मस्कारा. ओ माई गॉड, लाइक लिटरली मैं कैसे भूल गई इस मस्कारा के बारे में. बट आई जस्ट जेन्युइनली लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट आई हैव द लिपस्टिक. दिस इज द लाइक लिटरली बार्बी डॉल लिपस्टिक लग रहा है मुझे. दिस इज द अरमानी लिपस्टिक इन द शेड रिटन 524. सो दिस इज बेसिकली अरमानीज liquid lipstick and yeah, it is so tiny. It actually looks like a Barbie lipstick. So yeah, let's just apply the last product. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It's so creamy, buttery और बिल्कुल भी dry नहीं लग रहा है lips पे. So this is how the shade looks like. So I'm very happy with the result. I hope you like it. Literally the Fenty Beauty का skin tint, mascara, eyeshadow palette, lipstick, obviously the Rare Beauty का blush, वो सब मेरे top favorites थे. I just love them like literally. And जब तक ये वीडियो जाएगा I guess Rare Beauty would be live on Sephora, exclusively on Sephora. It is launching by 15th or 16th of June, so I'm very happy. मैं सबके links और सबका price in dollars and INR description box में दे दूँगी, also on the screen. Okay, so I forgot to shoot the outro of the video. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.